Uplift Tech is a scientific and technological company specializing in the research, development, production, and sales of linear drive and control systems. Our engineering team, with more than 20 years of experience, comes from in the linear motion system industry. Your idea will be completely presented through sketches, renderings, and 3D models. Finally, the product will be launched to the market after proofing, evaluation, and production. All products are approved with the ISO 9001, CE, TUV, BIFMA X5.5, and UL certificates.